stability of resonating structure. In option A, first of all we can recognize that these two compounds here are the resonating structures for the same compound. So we can apply the rules of resonance to find out who is more stable. The first rule states that whoever has the more number of covalent bonds, it's more stable. If we count the number of covalent bonds, then this second species has more number of covalent bonds. So therefore, we can say that the second one is more stable than the first one. So this order is wrong here. We found out the stability by counting the number of covalent bonds. More number of covalent bonds, more is the stability. Going to option B, here also we can see that these two resonating forms are for the same structure. The difference here is the number of covalent bonds are same. So the difference here is, here the oxygen has a negative charge and here nitrogen has a negative charge. One of the rules of resonance states that if there is a negative charge, it should be present on the more electronegative atom. Considering this, oxygen is more electronegative, so it should be holding the negative charge. This would be much more stable. So this order here is wrong, and we can tell this because of the rule that more electronegative atom should be having negative charge. In option C, first thing is that these two structures are not for the same compound. They are not resonating structures of the same compound. So we should not apply the rules of resonance here. We should compare the structures in a different manner. The first one, phenoxide ion, this structure's name is phenoxide ion. Let's write its resonating structures. The minus charge, it comes here, and the pi electrons moves to the next carbon atom. So we have double bond O. Here there were two pi bonds, and now here we have a minus charge. The carbon is getting a minus charge. This continues, the minus becomes a pi bond, and the pi bond goes to the next carbon, giving us a structure like this, where the minus charge is once again coming on carbon. This continues, so in the next structure the pi electrons come here and the minus charge comes here, and in the last structure the minus charge is seen on the oxygen itself. So in three of these resonating structures, we see that the minus charge is on carbon. Let's consider now this ion. This ion is called as benzoate ion, C double bond O, O minus. Now here the resonance takes place like this. The delocalization of electrons, minus charge moves here forming a pi bond. Pi bond moves to this oxygen forming a minus charge. So we have a carbon, double bond oxygen, single bond oxygen with a minus charge. Similarly, when this minus comes back, the pi electrons go back to this oxygen, giving the initial compound. In this case, we can make two observations. One is that this resonating form and this resonating form look to be equivalent, same. So this structure shows equivalent resonating forms. The next point to be noted is that here the minus charge is shared between the two oxygen atoms. This oxygen atom, and then it passes to this oxygen atom. So always the minus charge is on electronegative atoms only. Because of these 2 points, we say that this ion is in fact more stable than the previous ion, where we saw the negative charge go on carbon, and we also saw that those structures were not equivalent. So this is the reason why C is the correct option about stability of resonating structure. Let's quickly also go through option D. In option D, once again, these two compounds are not the resonating structures for the same compound. You can make that out easily by checking the molecular formula. Here we have a hydrogen, here we have instead CF3. Now CF3, the carbon is attached to 3 fluorines. Fluorines are highly electron withdrawing groups, so they withdraw electrons due to -I. If they withdraw electrons, then this ion, which is negatively carb anion, it is more stabilized. Less is the negative charge, more is the stability, as compared to this one where there are no electron withdrawing fluorine groups. Therefore, this order is wrong. It has to be like this. Hence, we can see that option C is our answer here.